In the heart of India's pharmaceutical landscape, where innovation meets compassion, US Pharma emerges as a beacon of excellence. Welcome to the future of pharmaceuticals. Welcome to US Pharma. US Pharma is a leading pharmaceutical formulations manufacturing company, dedicated to developing and manufacturing affordable medicines in India and beyond.
I'm Tapan Sangvi, and it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to US Pharma. We are a young company on a mission to positively impact 1 billion lives by 2030. Our dedicated team of professionals manage the production, quality control, as well as regulatory compliances, ensuring that each and every product meets the most stringent norms and standards. Utilizing technology to drive high-quality production processes, we have built a product portfolio targeting a plethora of ailments while making sure that the production capacities are in line to match sudden large requirements of our clients at short notice. Our large production volumes ensure we can pass on the benefits of scale to all our stakeholders.
Over the past 2 decades, we have made a profound impact on the lives of patients worldwide. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in our state-of-the-art manufacturing unit, accredited with cGMP and WHO GMP certifications. Located just outside Mumbai, India's commercial capital, our 80,000 square feet facility is equipped with cutting-edge technology, ensuring low humidity and international cleanliness standards. Our manufacturing capabilities encompass a wide range of pharmaceutical products, from tablets and capsules to injectable and IV solutions. Every piece of equipment and raw material used meets the highest cGMP standards. We have an in-house regulatory team for all types of documents and dossiers, ensuring consistent, high-quality pharmaceuticals fit for supply worldwide. With a production capacity that speaks volumes, 3 million tablets, 1 million capsules, 20,000 bottles of liquids, 100,000 external preparations with production capacity per shift that speaks volume, and 100,000 injectables. We are at the forefront of the pharmaceutical industry. But it's not just about numbers, it's about the people behind the scenes. Our dedicated team of professionals, diligent, experienced, and committed to ensuring every product meets the stringent demands of the pharmaceutical industry. Our core values drive us forward: achievement, respect, knowledge, honesty, and integrity. We aspire to be industry leaders, marking excellence in an ever-evolving environment. We focus on clear objectives, concentrate our efforts, and remain accountable to deliver the best. With a mission to be your strategic manufacturing partner, envisions becoming one of the world's most trusted brands in the pharmaceutical industry. Our goal is to positively impact the health of 1 billion lives globally by 2030. We don't just manufacture medicines, we create possibilities for a better, happier tomorrow. Together, let's bring positive change to global healthcare with innovative products that define a future. US Pharma, where excellence meets compassion, and the future of pharmaceuticals is shaped today.